This little boy is Txtl. He's really playful and imaginative. Txtl adores drawing. This is his mommy. From time to time, she finds wear and tear in Txtl's clothes. However, she likes Txtl to be dressed well. Before she goes shopping, she stops by a textile. Together with the textile team, she co-creates for Txtl's clothes. Templates are provided and discussed. But Txtl's mom has a better idea. She would like to have her son's own drawing on his clothes. While Txtl's clothes get tagged, his mom goes shopping. In the meantime, the textile team prepares and 3D prints to get Txtl's clothes tagged. When ready, his mommy is getting notified. After shopping, she returns to textile, picking up Txtl's tagged clothes. Txtl's mom seems to be really happy and returns home. Ever since Txtl's clothes got tagged, he is in love with it.